Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all well today. So I'm starting with showing you my consistency. This is Lakeside, this little piggy pigment. You can see my consistency. I didn't fill my colours because I just painted on the fly. I just grabbed some colours and painted, and then realised afterwards that I hadn't filmed a short intro for you. And this is my pillow paint, which is, the brand is British Paints. That's the name of the brand, and it's just a low sheen wall paint, obviously water based, low sheen white. Nothing added, just the paint. I just decant it from the big tin into a smaller airtight container with an airtight lid. And then I'll show you my cell activator in a minute. It is a little bit thinner than I normally like it. I don't know why it's gone thinner than normal, but it's awkward once you've mixed it up. I find to add the tube to it, it goes gloopy. I can never incorporate it in properly, so I've just got to go with it for this time, but the next time I will make it a bit thicker. I do normally like 2 to 2.5 parts. I think it's more like 2.5 to 3 parts this time. So these are the colours I'm using today. This is TLP Twinkle. It's an interference blue purple, and you can really see this at the end with the flash. It's gorgeous. You wait till you see it, how it shimmers, the colour of it. It's beautiful. And that's the Lakeside that I've just shown you before, also by TLP, this little piggy. And look at this colour, Afterglow. This is one of their new ones in their last release. It's a gorgeous neon peachy pink with a lot of gold mica in it. Really, really pretty. And Aqua Green Light by Matisse. And I love those two colours together. I think the aqua green against the Afterglow is beautiful. And cell activators, the titanium white that I've just shown you, which is my mix of Amsterdam and Atelier, equal parts of both, mixed with Australian Floetrol, nothing else added, no oils, no silicone. And Atelier's Payne's Grey, sorry. Right, have I said the size of my substrate? 13-inch MDF round. If I've said it, I'm sorry for repeating myself. And I'll put you a little bit of music on and see you soon.
Too old to put on a show. Now I found a home. I'm filling my soul up with devotion and stardust. I'm bold, got it all in control. Now I know what I want, like a natural woman. You know I'm not a girl anymore. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care.
Look at that massive cell. I wonder where that came from. So funny. I love the colours. See what I mean about the twinkle? That shimmer there. So pretty. Pretty colours. So yeah, just a quick little video for you today. Quite simple, but I like it. If you like it, please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. It really helps me out, and it's free for you, and then you'll know when I put out a new video, and you can hit the notification bell. And any questions, ask in the comment section below. And as always, everything is listed in the description box. Click on the video title to easily access it. So everybody stay safe, take care, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks guys, bye.